Council tax is collected by Durham County Council to help towards paying for services in your community. Every home in the county is put into a council tax band between A and H based on its size, location, value and other factors. The council tax you pay is not for the services you use, but helps to fund all services provided by the council. We provide social care services for the most vulnerable people in our community. Over 60% of the council's expenditure is invested in caring for vulnerable adults and children. We also invest in our culture and sport, supporting the health and well-being of people in County Durham. Council tax supports 266 schools and colleges, ensuring children have the opportunities to reach their full potential. We empty over 6 million rubbish bins and 6 million recycling bins every year. This allows us to recycle and compost over 100,000 tonnes of material from curbside collections and household waste recycling centres. We maintain the roads, pavements and street lights. Your council tax is also used to help fund the council's ongoing investment in regeneration and economic development in County Durham. "21% of the council's total annual income comes from council tax. The rest is made up of grants and income generated through our chargeable services, for example, our leisure centres. We consult with local communities, partners, businesses and other groups to ensure we are focusing on the right priorities to achieve the objectives in the County Durham Vision 2035. When you receive your bill from us, it will look like this. Every bill is addressed to who we consider is responsible for paying it. The partner of the person the bill is addressed to is also jointly liable for council tax, whether or not they are married. This section shows the issue date of your bill, your account number, the band allocated to your home, and the address the bill relates to. This section shows a breakdown of charges. Your bill also includes a charge for the fire service and police force, as well as the adult social care precept. Councils which provide social care can increase their council tax, and this additional charge is called the adult social care precept. The income generated from the charge helps to meet for the cost of adult social care. Depending on where you live, there may be a further charge from the local town or parish council, and the Charter Trustees if you are in the City of Durham area. Please remember the council is only responsible for the collection of the money for other organisations, not the setting of the charge for their services. The total charge for the period is detailed at the top of the next section. This section is where any discounts or benefits are detailed. Single people, those with a severe mental impairment, apprentices, students and disabled people may be entitled to discounts or exemptions. Any deductions, exemptions, discounts and payments are listed on the bill as CR. There is information and application forms on our website in relation to the discounts and exemptions available, or you can ring our customer services team for more information. The amount payable for your new council tax bill is shown at the bottom. The final section shows the payment details, payment methods, instalment amounts and the dates they are due to be paid. If you are in arrears with your council tax, the amount is displayed at the bottom of this section and should be paid as previously notified. If you have not already made arrangements to repay your arrears, it's important that you contact us to see what we can do to help you. You can speak to one of our customer service advisors to discuss your account. You can also find further details of all help and support on our website. On the reverse of your bill is details of how you can pay your bill, including direct debit, online via our website, through your bank at the post office and PayPoint. If you are paying by direct debit, payments are spread across 10 to 12 months up to either January or March. There's no need to cancel your direct debit after your final payment, as we won't take another payment until your new bill is issued. If you'd like to appeal against your council tax band, please visit our Make an Appeal About Council Tax page on our website. Here you can find out how to appeal if you think your bill is being calculated incorrectly, or if you think your property is in the wrong band. This is the role of the Valuation Office Agency. If you've recently moved to a new house or had a change in circumstances, please let us know as soon as possible. You can do this by visiting our website and completing the online form. If you wish to find out more about council tax, please visit our website at www.durham.gov.uk/council tax.